Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 30th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned absolute positioning. So in this tutorial, you will learn Z-index. So let's get started. Okay guys, sometimes when you specify a position to your element, the elements overlap each other. So when elements are positioned, they can overlap other elements, right? So the index property specifies the order of an element. It specifies which element should be in front and which one should be behind, right? Let me give this image a position, right? Now my image has a position of absolute. The top is 0. Let me set the left to 0 as well. Let me save it, refresh. You can see now our H1 and the paragraph are behind this image. Okay? So to make them be in front of the image, that's where Z-index comes in. Okay? Now I will say Z-index and here you can specify the value to be integer, right? You can add a positive value or a negative value. But because we want the text which is behind the image to appear, we will say -1. Save it, refresh. You can see now our text is in front of the image. So you have to know if two position elements overlap without Z-index specified, the element position last in the HTML code will be shown on top. That's how you can add Z-index to your element. Let me remove this negative sign, save it, refresh. You can see it has gone back to how it was before I put a negative value. Okay? So that's all for this Z-index tutorial. In the next tutorial, you will learn CSS alignment. So I will see you there.